Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you are fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I'll show you in this video trendy and very cute charming ideas of highlights in short hair with beautiful haircut. Many much more trendy ideas of hairstyling. So beautiful overall collection of highlights in short hair with beautiful haircut, hairstyling for girls and women you see in this video. So I suggest and I humble request, please you watch this video till end. I hope you like it. Different ideas of highlights. Some ideas full hair highlights, cap highlights, and some ideas full hair highlights, foil highlights, and a very attractive collection of only bang highlights, and some ideas front ear to ear highlights, with dark base color in blonde color, and a very beautiful collection of base color with attractive blonde highlights, lightly blonde, dark blonde, ash blonde, and some ideas in burgundy highlights, some ideas in beautiful collection of funky highlights in light base colors, and very beautiful collection of haircut, pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cuts. Some ideas layered, deep layered, some ideas step, undercut, and choppy haircut, notching haircut, and so beautiful collection of hairstyling. Fine hair hairstyle, wavy curly hairstyling, spiky hairstyle, beautiful spike with undercut, messy hairstyle, so beautiful overall collection of different colors of highlights in short hair for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very cute, and you look very charming. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help. So I hope you do this and share it your all over social media accounts. So friend, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll dive back with new collection, new ideas. Take care of yourself and take care of your loved ones and those around you. I hope you do it. Bye bye.